Hey, what's up, game devs? Welcome back to Connect Slotters. Today we are diving deep into a hot topic in the Unity community, URP versus HDRP. Which one is better for your project? By the end of this video, you will know exactly which render pipeline is the best fit for your game. Unity has two major render pipeline, the URP or the Universal Render Pipeline, and the HDRP, the High Definition Render Pipeline. Both are powerful, but they serve different purpose. Let's break it down. URP is all about flexibility and performance. It is designed for mobile games, indie projects, or any game where efficiency and optimization are key. URP provides a good balance between quality and performance, making it ideal for mid-tier visuals on lower-end device. It is especially useful if you are targeting mobile devices or if you are working on a console or even a PC game that doesn't need ultra-realistic visuals. URP is like a Swiss Army knife, it can handle a bit of everything. Now HDRP is the best of Unity's render pipelines. If you are aiming for a AAA quality graphics with stunning visuals, HDRP is where you want to be. It's built for high-end PCs and consoles like PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. From dynamic lighting to volumetric fog and stunning reflections, HDRP gives you the tool to create breathtaking visuals. But with great power comes great responsibility, and by that I mean it can get demanding on performance. Alright game devs, that's for today's comparison between URP and HDRP. Hopefully this helped you make a decision on which pipeline to use for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Unity tips and tricks, and let me know in the comment which pipeline you are using for your game. Thanks for watching and see you next time.